of the All England Lawn Tennis Club. Her Royal Highness is accompanied by Debbie Jevons, Chair of the All England Lawn Tennis Club, and Roy Kalabawala, President of the Lawn Tennis Association. First, please show your appreciation for the Championship's referee, Denise Parnell.
Someone's won.
And for the chair umpire, Ava Azduaki Moore. Now to the runner-up from Germany, Alexander Zverev. And the gentlemen's singles champion for 2026 from Italy, Yannick Sinner. Sasha, you have left your heart and soul on this centre court for almost 4 hours and given everyone such a wonderful, wonderful Wimbledon final.
Yeah.
Your first Wimbledon final here, and I know it's not the result you wanted, but just could you share with us your thoughts?
Well, first of all, Yannick, I don't really like you anymore. To be fair, I lost to you 9 times in a row, so it's not. No, but first of all, congratulations to Yannick. He showed once again why he's the best player in the world, and it was great to share the center court with you on finals weekend. It's a great honor to be here. Unfortunately, I didn't go my way, but congratulations to you first of all. Then, do I keep going? I don't know how it works. Do I just keep going? Okay.
Well, you're very welcome to keep going. I know you've got some very important people.
Also congratulations to Yannick's team, who's been with him for many, many years now. You guys are world #1 now, but you guys started outside of the top 10 and you worked all the way to being Grand Slam champions, world #1. So it's definitely a team effort. I think Yannick is the first one to admit it. So congratulations to you guys as well. You really deserve it. then to my team, we had a pretty good 2 months, I would say. Even though we lost this final, we had an amazing 2 months. You know, we came into Wimbledon never reaching the quarterfinals, and we played our first Wimbledon final. And yeah, 29 years old, this is the first time I actually believe I can win this trophy. So thanks to you guys as well. I would like to thank the crowd for these 2 amazing weeks. Every time I played, the court was full, and I never felt support like that in Wimbledon before, and I really appreciate it. And you guys are a big part why I made it to the finals. So thank you very much for that. Yeah. Unfortunately, this guy will be back as well. Yeah, it's one more thing. It's very special to play on the center court, and it's because of the Royal Box as well. The amount of special people that I see for every single match, especially for the final. It's a great honor to play in front of you, Your Highness, in front of everybody else as well. It's, I think, the most unique court in the entire world, in the Royal Box. I think is a special thing, and it's a massive honor to play on this court. As simple as that.
Well, I'm sure everyone would like to join in wishing you all the very best of luck in the future going forward for the rest of the season. Your runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, Sasha Zverev. Well, many congratulations, Yannick. It's one thing to win Wimbledon, but it's another to retain the title. Just how does it feel with your hands back on this wonderful trophy?
Yeah, amazing. But as Sasha did, I would like to start with you and your whole team and family. You reached one of your goals, your main goals, winning Grand Slams, and you made it happen in Paris. Today you were so close. If you play like this, I'm very sure you're gonna have this one at home as well. So amazing, keep going. I know another goal is for you to become #1 in the world. You're very close, so we need to have to be very careful now. So but congrats. Do I go or?
Well, I was going to ask you, he made you work so hard for this victory. What was the key today?
Yeah, I mean, we both started off very well, you know, serving very fast. We prepared, you know, in the best possible way, me and my team, so I have to thank, obviously, the whole team, the whole support I get, you know, from the whole box. My mom, and I see her, she left the stadium a couple of times, and you know, it is being a player, it's not easy, you know. So, but in the same time, it has been an amazing final once again, and you know, it always takes two players, and you know, me and Sasha, we try to give everything we have. I'm very happy, of course, about the win, but I'm mostly very happy about the level we both played, and you know, you are the reasons. There's no better place, honestly, to play tennis. Standing here, you can feel the nerves in a Sunday morning when you wake up. You know that this is, you know, a very special day, and you never know how many times you can come back on Sunday. So I never take things for granted. Playing in front of very special people throughout the whole couple of weeks, it has been amazing, and yeah, and thanks for the support. You are always amazing to me, and you gave me the most special feeling a tennis player can ever feel like. So thank you so much. Last thing I would like to add, has been couple of very warm days, no rain for the first time, which is amazing, and but I would love to thank all the ball kids and ball boys for everything you do. You make our lives on court, as simple as possible. So thank you, thanks the whole organization behind the scenes. This is truly the most special tournament we have throughout the year. So thank you so much, and see you guys all next year. Thank you.
Your Wimbledon champion.